Tired of manually managing your Trello boards and ready to unlock the power of automation? Then let's jump straight into how to get your Trello API token, giving you access to integrate Trello with countless other apps and workflows. First, head over to Trello.com and make sure you're logged in. Now, in your browser's address bar, type in Trello.com API Key and hit enter. This is your gateway to the API universe. On this page, you'll find your key. This is like your username for the Trello API. Copy this key and keep it somewhere safe. You'll need it later. Next, to generate your token, construct the following URL, replacing your _API_KEY with the key you just copied. Trello.com 1 authorize. Expiration equals never and scope equals read, write, account and response _type equals token and name equals your app name and key equals your _API_key. Paste this constructed URL into your browser. You'll be taken to a Trello authorization page. Scroll down, and you should see a big allow button. Click it. This grants your app permission to access your Trello account. Voila! You'll be redirected to a page displaying your Trello API token. Copy this token and store it securely. Treat it like a password. With your API key and token in hand, you're now ready to connect Trello to other applications, automate tasks, and build powerful custom integrations. Start exploring the endless possibilities. And don't forget to subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.